Hello everyone, welcome to another Demo Does channel, and today we will be drawing an octopus. Super simple, very easy and pretty quick. So begin with drawing a circle. I will do a rough guideline as to where to place his eyes and his mouth, so just follow what I'm doing on the screen. And once you're happy with your face, you will want to erase a small section bottom of his head, as we will have to connect his tentacles. If it does help, you can just leave it till the end, but because I can't layer on this drawing app, I will have to erase it. But if you're doing it by pen and paper, just leave it till the end, and then just draw a few tentacles. Make sure they're not too lengthy, try to add a bit of life to them by making them kind of wavy. 4 will be on the front, 4 will be on the back, so you will barely see the 4 at the back. And make sure you do 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, the details. Not a whole lot of details on this. So we see he has 3 spots on top of his head. So just draw 3 little circles. And we also see he has an underside to his tentacles. We won't make them too detailed as it's just a simple drawing. So instead, just kind of follow some of the tentacles, leaving a little space between the tip until the bottom of them. That's what I'm doing at the minute. So because these are the underside of his tentacles, these will be slightly darker and a different colour than his main body, plus it just adds a bit more life to the drawing. Step 3, adding the colour. So I know a lot of you will enjoy adding colour, so just let's get straight into it. Using the fill tool, just fill the main primary colour onto his body. Once you're happy with the colour you've picked, it doesn't have to be the same as mine, make it as unique as possible, make him green if you really want, it's really up to you. That's the beauty of drawing, you can just use your imagination to its fullest. And since 4 of his tentacles are at the back of him, I will make him look kind of like the shadows, since he will be at the bottom of water, so it's very dark already, and if we make him black, then it's very easy to tell the tentacles apart. Now I will find a darker colour to fill in his spots and the bottom of his tentacles. It just adds a bit more of like 3D to the drawing. And now to just fill in the bottom of his tentacles. And now he has 3 spots on the top of his head. And now I'm just going to draw his eyeballs in using a slightly thinner pencil. This will just make it slightly easier to colour his eyes in and make sure they're looking the same direction, because there's nothing worse than spending ages drawing eyes just for them to look weird, like looking in different directions. It's just funny. So make sure you put a bit of thought into his eyes. Now I'm just going to clean up his eyes since I've already zoomed in, just to make them better. Step 4. Fixing the drawing as a whole. So for this section I will just be fixing all of the little bumps and extra pixels everywhere. So as you can see right now, there's little like black pixels sticking out, which isn't a huge issue, but because it's quite already pixelated, it just makes it quite worse. Plus, you gotta realise, small details do matter. So that's why I leave it till the end, because then you can just focus on it and it's quite easy and simple to do. It's just the matter of adding colour and deleting some of the unnecessary pixels. And at the end of this, I will show you the difference from earlier and after the fix. If you're doing this by pen and pencil, you can do this still just by using a fine liner and going over all the sections you did well. And once you've gone over with a fine liner, just pick up an eraser and just erase all of the pencil markings, because you will have like sketches on your drawing and all of it will not be perfect. So there's one little tip to make your drawing more neat. And there you go. This is before the fix. As you can see, there's quite a lot of bits just hanging out, which is kind of irritating. Meanwhile, on the right side, this is after I cleaned it, just looks more clean and just looks nicer to look at. So definitely go over in a fine liner if you're doing it by pen, and just try and fix it if you're doing it on a drawing pad. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you did enjoy it, and hopefully I will see you next time.